Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to see about Hugging Face. Hugging Face, which I told in previous session, the AI engineer roadmap, that I'll take Hugging Face in a separate video because it is huge and very important. It has everything for anybody who's into this field. The model, applications, tools. There are like different latest algorithms built using for different use cases. Lot of ideas you can get. This is like entire community where you can ask questions and they can help you with so many different approaches. So this is like one amazing thing which happened in AI industry actually. If anything new like tools application comes in the AI field, they'll release an Hugging Face actually. That mid-journey thing came, no, like text to image conversion. Actually, they released those entire thing as a demo in Hugging Face where we can use the packages and implement some of the things. But pricing is different if you seeing here. Yeah. So pricing is actually there are like free versions also. I'm using Pro account here, but you can get one. I mean, a free is also available where you can actually test some of the open source applications that you can do. Let's get start with the things which is there. So here, see, uh, there are like so many models. Total, it is like in lakhs. Yeah, it is in 19 lakhs. I don't know the count. I'm not able to. I'm in shock. So there are like n number of models that you can actually search. If you are like specifically searching for any data set or models or any users specific models, you can actually search in this. And there are like different tasks, libraries. Even it is available in multiple languages, like n number of languages. All some of them are regional languages also. That also available. License others means what is it? Like apps, yeah, Llama, LM Studio, Jan. So there are like so many things available in this. It is an entire community and it is available for students and AI enthusiasts. So let me go on this. So this is a data set. You can download data set and make use for your own project. Everything is like open source and you can just download and make use of it. Like it is open source in the sense it's not perfect data. It is like raw data. You can process it, clean it, and pre-processing and cleaning both are same actually. And you can use your own algorithm and you can have a model ready. You can use it for any, you can have like classification data, regression data, or any applications that you wanted. You can just search here. So that is one. And one amazing thing in here is there's this space and it have so many categories that you see like image generation, video generation, text generation. And here there is one image editing uh, category. It actually has image editing. I mean, you can actually write a prompt for it that gives you the image, like modified image, and you can just go and pick any of the projects which is available. You can make use of it. And it is free also. Sometimes it is free, like you can just generate prompt. Okay, I'm giving this image which is available. Turn the flower into sunflower. So this is like one form of changing your image. I mean, this edit it does by itself. It got trained. It is having everything on its own. And one more important thing is you can clone this. Actually, we can clone and modify based on your requirements. So I'm just see you can just clone and you can wipe code also. Just directly go into any of this. So I'm using cursor here. So cloning a repository. So I'm just pasting this in here and yeah, that's all. So you can just have these and modify if you need it. So this is like everything on whole, and this is actually fun. So try by yourself and modify some of it. I hope this video finds you well. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.